Hello everyone, today we are going to create this. So, let's get started. First delete the light and camera. Move the cube at z-axis to 1.01. Go to Modifier tabs. Add Array Modifier. Change the x value to 1.03. And increase the count to 6. Align the cube to center. Add another array modifier. Increase the count to 6. Now change the x value to 0. And y value to 1.03. Press 3 for right orthographic view. Again align the cube to center. Then add another array modifier. Increase the count to 6. Now change the x value to 0. And z value to 1.03. Now we got our cube duplicate in x, y and z. Press 1 to go to front orthographic view. As we can see, the origin is still on the corner. If we go to edit mode, the cube is still a single cube. Now back to object mode. Go to modifier tabs and apply the array modifier. Now back to edit mode. Ctrl B to select all cube. Press P and separate these cube by loose parts. Now the cube are separated object. Go to object mode. Now we will set these cube origin. Press F3 and search for Set Origin menu. Or we can go to Object, Origin and Origin to Geometry. Now all separate cube has their own origin. Next, we going to add floor. Shift A, Mesh and choose Plane. Press S and 100. Physics tabs. Enable rigid body. Set type to passive. Select a single cube. Enable rigid body. Set mass to 0.1. Leave others default settings. Go to wireframe mode. Press 1 to front orthographic view. Press B and select all others cube. Go to object. Rigid body. And choose copy from active to apply rigid body to all others cube. Now all others cube has the same rigid body settings. Next, we going to add sphere. Shift A. Mesh. UV sphere. Active automatic keyframe. Move Z-axis to 30. Scale to 0.5. In the timeline, move to frame 30. Then drag the sphere to Z-axis. Press I to insert keyframe. Choose LOC scale. Move to frame 31. Scale the sphere. Let's test to animate the sphere. Now we are going to adjust the animation. In timeline, press B and select keyframe 30 and 31. Drag it to about frame 90. Go to frame 40. Press I and insert keyframe. Select keyframe 40 and drag it to frame 80. Left-click and drag up to add new editor area. Left-click and choose Graph Editor. Hold Ctrl and middle mouse to adjust editor area. Go to frame 1. At Graph Editor, right-click to select keyframe 1. Press T, choose Linear. Select keyframe 90 and adjust the handle. Select keyframe 80 and adjust the handle. We will test to animate. Choose wireframe mode for better view. Now the sphere will be move slow at start and move fastest to hit the cube. The sphere will resize from frame 90 to frame 91. It's not interacted with the cube because we haven't enabled rigid body for the sphere. Now our scene are set. Turn off automatic keyframe. Jump to frame 1. Make sure the sphere selected. Go to Physics tabs. Enable rigid body. Tick animated option. Let's run the animation. If you have this issue, go to File and Save. Then go to File again, choose Revert. Now preview the animation. And our animation is complete. Let us know if you have any question. I will see you in next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and have a good day.